Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Yamaha, and we're here at the Gadget Show live at the NEC.
So what do we got here?
This is the Yamaha PDX11. Comes in 4 different colours, black, white, green and blue. It's an iPod dock that comes with a remote control, 4-inch driver, tweeter in there as well, and has a cracking sound to it. You've got volume controls on the top where you can turn it on and off, and it will charge the iPod. But perhaps the best part of it is that I can just remove the mains cable and it will also run on batteries. So off you go, take it out into the garden, carry it around with you. Perfect for barbecues, music festivals, and then bring it indoors when the weather gets bad.
Has it got any other audio inputs, or is it purely dock?
On the back there we've got a 3.5mm auxiliary input, so you can put other devices. It's handy for me. I've got an Android device, obviously I put it in there and I can still use it.
Excellent. And what's the power rating? Did you tell me?
Power rating is probably about 3 watts, but it is a digital amp in there, so it's something that really, the wattage I don't think carries it across. You need to just hear it. It's plenty loud enough.
Right, okay. Excellent. And available when?
Available now. Now.
And have you got a UK retail?
£99 a UK retail, so not very expensive either.
So what's this as well? This is kind of funky looking.
Yeah, this is a product that we're really proud of at Yamaha. This is a Yamaha YSP2200. This is a digital sound projector. So basically you've got 16 speakers along the front there, quite difficult to see. And they fire a beam out at various angles which bounce off the walls and therefore make the sound arrive at you traditionally like a 5.1 does. So without having to have rear speakers, you get a surround sound.
Oh, that's amazing, because I mean, I can't. Trying to position 5.1 in a standard living room is just a nightmare.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're finding with the market at the minute. Soundbar is definitely working really well for us because people don't want to compromise on the sound, and obviously as the tellies have got thinner, the sound's got worse. They don't want to compromise on the sound, but don't want to have to put 5 speakers everywhere. So this does the job perfectly for you. You don't need to compromise. It does sound great. Might point out that you do get a sub with it as well. The subwoofer can be orientated either way, vertically or horizontally, so you can either slot it into a cabinet or by the side of a cabinet.
Yes. And I suppose, is it okay for sort of general hi-fi listening as well?
Yeah, actually what we do is we sell an optional wireless iPod dock, so you can buy it on top of an iPod dock and then stream your iPod to it, and it does sound good with music. There is a music mode on there where you can put it into stereo and it optimises the sound for music.
And so how much and when?
It's out now and it retails around $819, and it's a cracking product. It won the What Hi-Fi Product of the Year award last year, so out now.
And what sort of inputs? Where does it take its audio input from?
Right, 3 HDMI ins and 1 out. So that's the beauty of this. It actually does do HD decoding, and you can have audio returned via the HDMI back to the unit, so no need for an extra optical. And you can put your Blu-ray, your games console and your Sky or Virgin box straight in.
And then you route the HDMI out into the TV?
Into the TV. 3 in, 1 out, so it works just like a normal AV amp. It's essentially an AV amp and your speakers all in one.
So tell me about this one.
Well, this is the Yamaha Jazz 101, YAS 101, available in black or silver. Basically, it's giving you an entry-level price point for a soundbar. It's a 2.1 system, 2 speakers on the end, and there is actually a sub built into the bottom there, which you can turn off if you want to add an external sub. It can either be wall-mounted as you see it here, or you can rest it just in front of your TV. If you do rest it in front of your TV, there's an IR flasher on the back, which basically repeats the TV remote control commands through to the TV, so it won't block the TV sensor. It's got a clear voice function on it, which is 1 button press on the remote, and the reason for that is we find a lot of people say that they can't hear vocal when they're listening to a modern TV. So to combat that, that's on there. It'll boost the vocal so you can hear it. And using our Air Surround EX technology, it creates a surround effect from just the single bar, and a brilliant price point as well.
So how much is this one?
220 in black, a little bit more expensive, 260 in silver, because the silver costs us a little bit more to make. But yeah, doing very well with it and a brilliant product.
So have you thought about making shorter ones for smaller tellies, or is that about the sort of optimum width? Yeah, we find this one not too much of a problem, particularly if you're using games consoles, things like that, just anything that lifts the sound. And the other thing about it is it's just optical and coax in, so very, very easy to set up. There's no you don't have to put anything into that. Just come off your telly into it, and everything's ready to go.